Let's get straight to it. AI is not here to replace the best salespeople in your organization. It's here to elevate them. The real story isn't about technology taking over jobs, it's about technology removing the mundane so your top performers can focus on what truly matters, building high value relationships. If you're a seasoned operator, you already know that the noise around AI is deafening. But here's the truth: AI isn't a magic bullet, it's a tool, and like any tool, its value lies in how you use it. Let's talk about where AI shines and where it doesn't. AI is excellent at handling transactional tasks and managing routine interactions. For deals under $10,000, where the buyer's journey is straightforward, automation can take over. This frees up your elite salespeople to concentrate on complex, high stakes negotiations that require a human touch. The result? Organizations are seeing productivity gains of 20 to 35% and win rates climbing by 15 to 25%. But here's the kicker: many of you are still drowning in operational chaos because you're treating AI as a shiny new toy rather than a strategic enabler. You're overwhelmed by the latest features and flashy demos, yet the real issue is structural. Your systems are brittle, your processes are fragmented, and you're constantly playing catch up. It's time to recalibrate. Let's dig into why systems thinking is your lifeline. The problem isn't that AI tools are ineffective, it's that they're being implemented in isolation. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. You wouldn't just start hammering nails at random, would you? Yet that's exactly what's happening in many organizations. AI is being tacked onto existing workflows without considering the broader system. This leads to fragile automations that require constant babysitting and handoffs that break down under pressure. So, what actually matters? Leverage over convenience, infrastructure over tools, sequencing over enthusiasm, integration over feature lists. If you're relying on AI to patch over systemic issues, you're setting yourself up for failure. Real business examples abound. A CRM that only works when someone manually updates it, back-end workflows that crumble when a single point of failure is hit, or service execution that's smooth only when someone is there to monitor it. Here's a common misconception: more automation equals better performance. In reality, poorly integrated automation can create more problems than it solves. Operators often misdiagnose the issue, thinking they need more tools when what they really need is a robust infrastructure. Systems should carry the mental load, not your people. When systems are designed correctly, they don't just automate, they transform. Let's look at the cause and effect logic. When you remove the transactional burden from your top sales reps, you're not just saving time, you're enhancing their ability to close high value deals. This shift doesn't happen by accident, it requires a strategic redesign of your operational framework. It's about creating a system where AI augments human capabilities, not replaces them. So, what changes when systems are designed correctly? You eliminate decision fatigue, reduce mental load, and transform resentment from being the human middleware into empowerment. Your team can focus on strategic initiatives rather than getting bogged down in operational minutiae. The key is to build systems that are resilient, scalable, and aligned with your business goals. Here's the bottom line: stop chasing tools and start building systems. AI and automation are powerful, but they're not a panacea. They're part of a larger operational strategy that, when executed correctly, can lead to significant gains. But ignore this issue for another year, and you risk becoming obsolete, not because you're lacking in intelligence or effort, but because you're stuck in a cycle of inefficiency. The call to action is clear: reevaluate your systems. Focus on infrastructure, integration, and strategic alignment. It's time to stop being the human middleware and start letting your systems do the heavy lifting. Remember, the goal isn't to replace your top performers, it's to free them to do what they do best: build relationships and drive value. Let's make systems thinking unavoidable.